Hello, everyone. It is Sharon Easterlin, and I wanted to take some time today to talk to you about what I did yesterday. So, I was the keynote speaker at the Pennsylvania Health Information Management Association, and it was a phenomenal meeting at their annual conference. You know, the great thing PHIMA did is that they split their conference across state. So earlier that week, they had the conference in Pittsburgh, and at the end of the week, they had it in Lancaster. And I think that is a great way to ensure that our health information members get their education and don't have to be strained with work and traveling across the state. So let me talk a little bit about what my keynote was about. So I know that we are in a time where AI, of course, is being disruptive, right? And we as health information professionals, we've been experiencing that for a while, you guys. We've been hearing about how it's going to impact our jobs since around 2005, 2006-ish, with computer-assisted coding. Now, of course, we have different types of AI, right? We have generative AI, and we're using many different large language models in that. And so we are experiencing more impact because there is increased ability. Things aren't just built off the rules and algorithms anymore. We can actually use generative AI to take us a step further there. So extraordinary tools are coming out. So I thought it was great to talk to health information professionals about this evolution and how you can ensure that you can move forward with whatever role that you choose based off of your transferable skills. We have a great skill set, and that skill set offers us the ability that we can transfer into many different areas. We're great at detail. We have great communication skills. We have great regulatory knowledge. Many of us have been working with the electronic health record. We've been building rules and algorithms. So we've kind of gotten an edge in a sense. Let me not forget compliance and privacy and security, another part of our wheelhouse. So we have a wide breadth, and our skills are going to allow us to step into this AI-driven future. So we talked about those skills. We talked about, setting yourself a new brand statement. Who am I now after you look at those skills? And how do they fit in this AI-driven world? And getting there. We talked about SMART goals. Setting yourself some goals for the future. What do you want to learn more about? What can you improve on? What can you actually just slip into now? I didn't talk about data analytics at all, so we know that that's a huge piece of the pie of what we do as health information professionals. And then not only that, make a commitment statement, a commitment to move forward, however that may be. In the afternoon yesterday, I talked about using AI tools in healthcare, and I geared that towards health information professionals. And we built some amazing, we looked at creating a study buddy, right? To help you get through testing or improve your staff. We also looked at using AI as a research tool, and how you can build GPTs associated with that. We created a GPT off a specific topic. So it was just a fun day filled with curiosity, right? Because that's what AI lends us to be curious and think big and think bold. And that's what we were doing yesterday. So I just wanted to take some time to say thank you, PHIMA, for having me. Can't wait to do this at North Carolina Health Information Management Association, NCHIMA. It's going to be another great day of discovery and stepping through evolution and reinvention. definitely reinventing ourselves right now. So thank you guys. Just wanted to share that. Talk to you later. I'll be back in a little bit. I want to talk to you about my workbook. Bye-bye.